Okay, so we are annotating now for claim, for reasoning, and for evidence. So when you are annotating, you want to make sure that you have some sort of key, and so that's what we're working on right now is the key. So your claim is going to be grounding what you have, and so you want to, you want to highlight that in green somehow. You want to highlight that in green. Your reasoning is going to be, actually, we'll skip down to evidence. Your evidence should be everywhere. And so, like the sky, it is blue. So your claim is green because it's grounding, like grass on the ground. Your evidence is all over the place. And so it's blue like the sky. And then finally, your reasoning is what illuminates the rest of your argument. And so you are going to highlight that with yellow. The other stuff, kind of like the pretty fluffy stuff, the extra things, if you have those in there, you want to use kind of a pink highlighter. And because that's, extra pretty and stuff. So you are going to annotate your article. This is the same article. I'm just annotating it online so I can do the screencast for you with those same three colors. Or if you want to, you can create another key. But these are also the same three main colors that we use in highlighting in AP Lang. Claim, data, and warrant are also going to be green, blue, and yellow. All right, so I'm just going to do a little bit of this with you, and then you can continue to do it on your own. This article is from 2011, and you can see obviously it is connected to our theme of identity because the title of the article is Technology. Is technology stealing our self-identities? And then the subtitle is Who or What is Defining Your Self-Identity? The author, so that we can establish credibility, is Jim Taylor. He is a PhD, and this article is posted in what is primarily a journalistic source, Psychology Today, which is a very popular mainstream magazine. I don't know what the power of prime means. That might be a book he has out, or maybe that's like what he calls himself around the house. Who knows? So, our self identities, that is, how we define and see ourselves as unique individuals, play a vital role in who we are and the direction that our lives take. The self identity encompasses the totality of knowledge and understanding that we gain about ourselves as we develop, including our personalities, aptitudes, and capabilities, intellectual and physical attributes, interests, and relationships. Okay. So what I see here is first a statement, and I would say that this is a claim. So I'm going to highlight it as such. I can change my mind later. Just super easy to do since I'm on the computer. Or sometimes you'll see sentences that include a claim and reasoning. But we do see some reasoning here, and so reasoning is what illuminates or continues to expand on that idea. And I would say that this second sentence here in the first paragraph is primarily reasoning. Okay. We gain our identities in two ways. First, as we develop self-awareness, we observe and evaluate our thoughts, feelings, and behavior based on past experience, current needs, and future goals. So I'm guessing that he is saying that this is the case because of his experience as a PhD, and this is being used in psychology today, or rather printed in psychology today. So we're going to make the assumption that this is his data. Why did not? Okay, I don't know why that made it yellow. I've ruined my video. Let's try that again. Blue. Save. No, it didn't. No, don't do everything. Stop it. Okay, blue. There we go. Sorry, you have to put up with this. So that's the data. So you're just going through the article, and it's not that long. And you are highlighting for those three things again. The claim, and subclaims can also be green. The reasoning, and then the evidence. So claims and subclaims are green, reasoning is yellow, and blue is evidence. When you are finished highlighting for claim, evidence, and reasoning, you should see that pretty much everything on your entire paper is colored in. And that's how you want it. You do want to read carefully so that you can see if there is claim and reasoning, or claim and data, or reasoning and data, or evidence, that is combined in the same sentence. So unlike what I did, which was just highlight the whole thing, you should read a little bit more carefully. And if it helps you, then read with a partner and kind of discuss as you go, paragraph by paragraph, what it is that you're highlighting for. My recommendation is to first read the entire article and then go back and highlight. That's so that you have an idea of where you're going, and you know exactly where it is that the author is taking you throughout the article. Okay, hope this was semi-helpful. Sorry for being weird like always. Thanks.